Hi, I'm Christina Robinson and welcome to CMS Forex News. Today is Friday, January 4th, 2008. The end of the week saw a lot of fundamental releases. Consumer prices in Switzerland eased but still beat expectations, showing a 0.2% increase. In the Eurozone, a provincial estimate showed that December's year-over-year CPI continued to stay at an elevated 3.1%. Services in the Eurozone eased from November's levels. The final version showed PMI falling to 53.1 from 54.1. Germany's services sector had close to a 2-point fall. In the UK, the services sector surprised on the upside, with the index increasing to 52.4. This data helped ease pressure on the Bank of England following weak manufacturing PMI data earlier in the week. In the biggest release today, the U.S. government's official non-farm employment change showed only 18,000 new jobs created in December compared to November's 115,000. The unemployment rate jumped to 5% and the dollar suffered as investors and traders bet that the Fed may have to react with the 50 basis point cut at their next meeting. The ISM non-manufacturing index performed better than forecasts, measuring 53.9, though it did slip from November. Prices continue to increase as 72.2% of respondents report facing higher prices. The percentage is smaller than in November. The euro-dollar pair saw a jump of 100 pips following the U.S. employment report, though it eased after setting a high above 1.48. For the week, the pair was trading slightly higher than where it started, but the euro did manage to recover its losses from Monday. The dollar-yen pair also had a strong reaction to today's job report as it fell 130 pips to set a session low below 108. The pair recovered somewhat as New York trading continued, though for the week the pair is down more than 400 pips. In Canada today, producer prices posted a 0.6% increase, the first gain after 6 months of declines. The rise was almost exclusively caused by surging prices for oil and coal. The raw materials price index rose 3.4% on the back of a 10.7% jump in price for crude oil. Also in Canada, the IV measure of purchasing managers saw a steep drop for December. The index fell to 45.9 from November's 58.7. Business activities were hindered by decrease of demand both from the higher Canadian dollar and the global credit crunch. The news caused the Canadian dollar to weaken against the U.S. dollar. The pair jumped more than 100 pips following the 10 a.m. release. For the week, the pair climbed from 0.98 after 2 weeks of gains by the loonie. Next week's highlights will be the decisions from the Bank of England and the European Central Bank on interest rates. And that's it for today and this week. Thank you for joining us at cmsfx.com and have a great weekend.